G'day guys and welcome to Warcraft News. Alright guys, going to try something just a little bit different this week. If you're one of those guys that expect hard and fast facts, this week's video is not going to be one for you. So you might want to go check out another video. But I sure would like you to stay. What I want to talk about is what I think Blizzard's plans are with PvP, with what they're doing at the moment, and also getting ready for patch 5.2 coming out. Okay, so with patch 5.2 coming out in around, I'm going to say about 3 weeks, because we generally get the 2-week notice, alright? So I can't see them making us wait too much longer with all this sort of stuff happening. The raid testing and all that is getting fine-tuned. So, and also there's rumors that it's going to be like at the end of the sale at the moment that Blizzard's having. If you want to check that out, there'll be a link to the Blizzard store. I think you can get all of the game and the expansions for around about $30. I haven't looked into it because they always have a sale on, so it's not really newsworthy, so I haven't looked into it. So that finishes on around about the 2nd of February. Information will be in the description down below, just to make sure they're the actual facts. So, alright, so in regards to that, we'll work on the preference that you have about 3 weeks to get ready. Now, that gives you ample time to do the normal sort of routine. Now I'm just going to go through that. Now you want to have your maximum honor, because the conquest is going to get reset anyway, basically. So any conquest that you don't have in honor will get filled into honor. Then anything over the 4,000 honor that you have with a conquest gets turned into gold. If you follow me there. Now the same thing happens with all the PvE stuff, so just bear with me here. Now, so if you want to keep that in mind, you are able to convert your Valor into Honor, and also Honor into Valor, if you're still with me, good, alright. So now, provided this is from a PvP angle, so if you want to get all of your Valor maxed out to the 4,000, I believe it is, and your Honor to the 4,000 cap, when it comes time to 5.2 to come out, then you'll be able to like convert all of your Valor into Conquest, into the Honor, sorry, and you'll be able to get like every max amount of points that you can get. So that's a good start. They're also not getting rid of the current MMR. So what that means, if you have a decent arena rating and or RBG rating, to increase your points gained per week, then if you can continue on at the next season at that current MMR system, then you're going to get more points per week. So there is a point to be able to get a higher rating at the moment, so good luck with that. Now also don't forget getting things ready like gems, enchants, money for all that sort of stuff, gold, sorry, I guess I should call it. That's pretty much just the basics, and that's pretty much just what I want to cover there. That should get you pretty much ready for patch 5.2 coming out for PvP, and also for PvE. The same thing works in reverse order for the different ones there. So I hope that helped. And now let's get into what I think is happening with the Blizzard PvP. So what I think Blizzard are doing with the PvP system, and this is going to be a little bit new for a lot of you here. It's a different kind of thought. I haven't seen it anywhere else. Now what I think is, with all the pilots and the carries and all this sort of bullshit stuff where people are paying for all this sort of crap game, with taking out the rating for the tier 2 weapons and all this sort of stuff, one, it eliminates people needing to pay for all this carries and pilots and that sort of stuff. Now I think that's a bloody good thing, but anyway, let me continue. Don't switch off just yet. Now with Blizzard getting rid of this cap and eliminating all these carries and other people helping everybody out, one, it's going to get a lot more people into PvP, whether you like that or not. But if you're a good player, you're going to have a lot more easy people to beat, and if you're just getting into it, you're going to have a lot more people equal level, and you're going to be able to work your way up the ranks. It's just going to be more people. That's a given. That is just going to happen. Now, why do I think Blizzard is doing this? Essentially, because of all these carries and pilots, all of these like top rated players who are very good at the game, doesn't matter what class they are, they are essentially, and there's thousands and thousands of these guys, mind you, they are skewing the results of the PvP players of the thing for Blizzard. So basically, what Blizzard have is that they're trying, on one hand, to balance the game and make everything equal, so you don't have warriors like one-shotting people in like super stuns and mages and hunters with broken pets to one-shot you and all this sort of stuff. Granted, Blizzard is at fault here as well. I'm not blaming everything on these guys that do all the carries and all this sort of stuff. Don't get me wrong, just bear with me. So with Blizzard not being able to get all of the correct data on where the balances are at, because you know all these things are sort of skewed, I don't think that the taking away of the ratings is here to stay. I think maybe in the next season or the season after Blizzard gets all of this information that they're going to get with the season in 5.2, I think they're going to be able to get a lot more better representation on what's happening with the PvP classes and balance it how they should do. And in theory, I'm predicting that by the end of next season, WoW should be back in the MLG scene, and there should be a lot more sort of public want for a WoW PvP system in their TV shows and YouTube channels and all this sort of stuff. Now, I know this has been a little bit long-winded. It's just hard to get it out. Just sometimes things are in my head and it's just hard to get it all out. So, to paraphrase here, I think Blizzard are working on this new system to try and equal out the numbers so they have a actual chance to try and make the PvP system fair, and they were able to balance it out equally after that. So that will be the question for this week. Do you agree with me, and do you think Blizzard are trying to balance it out, or do you honestly think that it's going to take sort of the skill level out, not having the 2200 sort of ranking to get your tier 2 weapons? Keeping in mind that the current tier 2 guys who have the big ratings in the RBGs and the arenas are going to get those weapons a lot faster than people have at about a 1500 rating. There's still going to be like a month-ish difference between people who are at the top end getting their weapons. So they're still going to be able to E-peen and smash people with a bigger weapons as soon as possible anyway. So just your thoughts, and yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. I hope these little tips have helped out, and maybe this question is a little bit different. But anyway, guys, my name is Sada. Remember to subscribe to the Dara channel. Come check my channel out for more stuff on a whole bunch of different things. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay beautiful.
Machine in motion, the pulse in